This is S.Y. Sublime. This is a continuation of the water tank project. Anyway, so I found my metal spin lock pieces. There's one here. It's right here. There's one that goes on top of this. Yeah. Goes like on that, spins it down, glues it, and then I have a smaller one on the router already. I'll show you how I do this tomorrow. I've got a bit of dilemma here. I've got these flat ones here. That's going to go there. I've got a piece missing here, which I have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin that lock on, spin that on, get it situated, and then I'm going to come in with a hole saw and cut a big hole in it there like that. Yeah, I'm going to cut that out, and I'm just going to put a regular twist hatch thing there, and I'll put another one there because I don't have these aren't big enough to go over that. They're bigger ones, and this spin lock thing that I made won't take a bigger cover. So, and then I've got a breather cap here I'm going to put in, an overflow cap here I'm going to put in. I'm going to put one over here, a cover over here, and then I'm going to put this cover here, and then I'll have a crack. I have a crack in here. There's a crack right along to here. So what I'm going to do is I was going to put this for a filler here. Put that there, and then I was going to put one of these here like that. Well, I thought that looked stupid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here as a filler here, and then I'm going to put this cover over here, and then the sending unit will actually I'll drill a hole in the top of the access hatch that I'm going to put in here. It'll go down there like that and be sealed in. That's where the float will go for the water level. So that's pretty much it. It's getting late. I'm gonna go home, go to bed. I'll come back and finish this tomorrow, and then I've got to do this too. I cut this out tonight. This is all funky. I'm just going to put a piece of plywood behind that, and then I'm just going to lay it up with fiberglass until it's flush and looks good, and then I'm going to just backfill it with a filler and send it back, and then paint it. And then all the work in here is done. I'm just going to hang up my lights, and I'm going to rehook this light up over here. Tidy those up a little bit, and then I've got a drill. I've got these to repair, and I've got to drill holes up through the deck coming down for some T-track to support my tender on top of the deck. So I'll show you this more tomorrow. This is the one on the router. This is the other one. This one does. This one here, this spin lock here, does these small ones. Does these ones, and it does these ones here too. Does these ones too. So you're just gonna put these in the same size. Just goes here like that. And this one also does, when you flip it over, does these ones as well. So when it's flipped over to the other side, they'll spin on there like that. So yeah, I just printed this up off designed it and did it on a one of those 3D printer things. Just printed it up with a 3D printer, and then I've got a little bolt in there that goes into the router bit that I made. I sell these spin lock things on my. I'm going to be selling these. These are for this and this, and 10 pieces, or 20, I think 20 pieces of these, and these and these. This is I think an inch and a quarter. I think this one's. I think it's $85. So if anybody's interested, I can make you this. So yeah. So that's that. I need to go home, go to bed. This is SY Sublime. Fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes and margaritas. Check it out.